Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the airport roundabout. They are putting in two signs out here. One that says Kingston, welcoming you to the city of Kingston, and the other one that says NMIA, short for Norman Manley International Airport. Now, it's a new thing to put up these signs in Jamaica. We have a Welcome to Montego Bay sign, Negril, but I think this is the only Kingston sign that is up now. You have Mark Bay, you have Bull Bay, but I think this is the only one that says Kingston. There's a sign that says Downtown Kingston. So we're going to give you an update. The signs are actually finished. I thought they were going to paint them, but they've kept them white. Not sure, but they have lights at the bottom, so maybe when it lights up. But it would have been nice if they had put in like more modern lights where you can actually change the colors of the light. Use a computer to control them, and you could change the color of the lights, like make them LED and change the colors depending on the theme you're going for that day. So this is the roundabout. This is where you had the Air Jamaica tail sign, the tail of the Air Jamaica plane. That has been removed and has been put in a museum, or the plan is to put it in a museum. There is a Kingston sign. You know, like you have so many buildings now where the lights can change on the outside. They should have used that technology out here so that the letters could change color. But it's nicely done, and the brickwork, and it's a nice finish, I must say. Now, what those things you're looking at, they're not flagpoles by the edge. They're actually barriers to prevent people from driving up there. Alright guys, let us know what you think of this new roundabout. Leave your comments in the section below. And we're going to come out here one night and show you how it looks when the lights are on. Alright guys, and what do you think about the LED light setup I was talking about, where the lights could change colors? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.